Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cases, and today I'm gonna talk about something that you've all been wanting to know. Tools that I use to make phone cases and the tools that you could use to start a phone case business. Before I'm getting into this video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 688 subscribers. That's insane, and I've seen that you guys liked the video before my last one a lot, and I was like shocked. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So first thing that I'm gonna do is show you guys the tools that I've got, and after I show you guys the tools that I have, I'll just talk about it. But yeah, so my heat press, I've got it on eBay and it's from UK Press. It's really good heat press. It worked perfectly fine. I didn't have any problems with it. I do recommend. I will link the link below so you guys can go check it out if you want to buy the same one as me. When I bought it, it said like t-shirt heat press, but it honestly doesn't matter as long as it has a flat surface, because then you can heat press the phone case inserts and it will be fine because they're flat. So yeah. But yeah, now moving on. Printer, it's a Sublimation SG500, and basically before this one I used to have an Epson XP352, I think. If not, it will pop up on the screen if I'm wrong, but yeah. That one that I had before this one, it was really bad. I couldn't get anything done with it. I had trouble setting up the ICC profile as well because it wouldn't print the same color as I had digitally displayed. It just didn't work, and I did exactly what they told me, and yeah, it was bad. It was like anyway, but now I got this Sublimation SG500, and let me guys tell you, it's the best, okay? So the advantages of this one compared to Epson is easy to set up, which is practically just plug it into your your computer, plug it in, yeah, and then you open it, you get it set up, you install the printer management, and then you can just print. You don't have to do anything, no nozzle checks, no setting up ICC profile, because it already has all that. So yeah, that's like the best thing, especially if you're a beginner. I think that's like something really important to go for, and they do have quite a bit of support online if you go to their website. The only disadvantage about the printer I've got is that their ink that they recommend and they tell you to use, and they tell you to use no other ink but that, is the Sublimation ink. It's really expensive, so, and what I recommend when you do get the printer is that you at least print once a week so that the ink doesn't dry out, so that you don't lose money, because that happens. And anyway, besides that, it's okay because the ink does last quite a very long time. I had my printer for 5 months or 6, and my ink still didn't run out. There's this printer that I've heard that is really good. I've seen other small businesses use it for sublimation printing. Is the Epson Workforce 7710. I'll put the name on display, but I have never used this printer, so I don't want to recommend. You can go for it. I don't know if it's cheaper or more expensive. That's kind of all I have on tools that you go. But now I'm gonna move on to the phone cases, because I've had some people asking me questions about those, and I need to answer because yeah. I only bought from 3 companies that do blanks. and those are Subli Blanks is a good company to buy phone cases from because their quality is really good. I got this one from Subli Blanks, and the sides are very thin, like the bottom, they have covers for the buttons, and they're very smooth. You can barely tell that they're there. I had troubles when I first got my phone case because I couldn't like tell, and I like pressing like anyway. But yeah, they're very like strong, they're bendable, they're quite thick, so they're very protective. I had mine for like a very long time and it's been pretty good. A lot of people ask me about the phone case inserts, like the metal inserts, and where you buy them from, and the answer to your questions are you don't buy them separately. It comes with the phone case, and you don't have to worry about it because once you buy the phone case, it automatically comes with your metal insert. Once you heat press this with your design, you just stick it on. But make sure that you like stick it properly, because sometimes if you don't, you know, press on it very hard when you put it on, it tends to like come out. And the other one, because Subli Blanks is such a known business, like blank business, it's really hard to find all the models you're looking for sometimes, so you have to come up with an alternative blank company that do make same models or the ones that you're looking for. So the other one that I found, which was really good, they're just the same quality as Subli Blanks, is ISAP Supplies. They do really good phone cases. Just like Subli Blanks, they have the smooth part and everything, and I do recommend. And the other one, the third one that I bought from, it was like calligraph. Well, if I'm wrong, you're gonna see a pop-up on the screen, but I don't know, I think it's calligraph. Anyway, I'll link their website down below, you can go check them out. I bought from them, and not gonna lie, their phone cases are not entirely like the same. They're a bit thinner, but they're still protective. I don't know, I haven't had any issues with them, but yeah, you can go check them out too. So besides that, I think that's all I had to say. If there's anything that I haven't covered, or you'd like to know about the tools, phone cases, make sure you to ask in the comments down below section. Yeah, that's it. But make sure to hit the subscribe button, because my next video is how I make my phone cases and what software I use to draw my designs, and how I size my designs to suit my phone case sizes. So yeah, go subscribe and have a great day and a happy new year. Yeah, it's New Year 2021. Bye guys, thank you very much for watching. Bye.